Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is the head and neck space infections. We will discuss this lecture in 5 sections. In the first section, we will discuss about the etiology, clinical features, diagnosis and treatment of the parotid abscess, the abscess which develops in the parotid space. Then in the second section, we will discuss the Ludwig's angina. What are the different causes of Ludwig's angina? What are the clinical features and diagnosis of Ludwig's angina and how we treat it and what are the complications of Ludwig's angina? Then in the third section, we will discuss the etiology, clinical features and examination and treatment and complications of peritonsillar abscess. Then in the fourth section, we will discuss the retropharyngeal abscess, what is acute retropharyngeal abscess and what is chronic retropharyngeal abscess, how both these conditions present and how we diagnose and treat acute and chronic retropharyngeal abscess. And finally, we will discuss another infection of head and neck space, which is parapharyngeal abscess, and also the causes of parapharyngeal abscess, clinical features, treatment, and complications. So all these head and neck space infections will be discussed in our today's lecture. So keep watching sqadia.com.